Naghihintay ka ba ng pagbabago sa buhay mo ngayon? A breakthrough, makahon sa utang, financial freedom, yung tipong hindi ka laging kapos, or maybe healing, or a new opportunity or a promotion sa work, or the one true love na makakasama mo habang buhay. Sometimes it feels like God is taking too long, but the Bible reminds us that delay is not denial. Habakkuk 2:3 says, "For the vision is yet for an appointed time. Though it delays, wait for it. It will surely come." God works with appointed times. Ecclesiastes 3:11 ang sabi, "He has made everything beautiful in its time, not our time, His time." Para beautiful ang experience pag dumating na. And Isaiah 60:22 gives this powerful promise, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." In other words, what God promised will not arrive late. It will arrive right on time. So if you're waiting right now, don't lose faith. Keep on hoping, because hope is a positive expectation of good to happen in your life. God is still working behind the scenes. Believe in Jesus, my friend. He is preparing the right time for your breakthrough. Comment mo dyan, my breakthrough is coming at the right time. Blessed to be a blessing.